Dumelang sanibonani, hello out there. Everyone who's watching this video go by the name Dumsani Nkosi, situated at Sheldon Lounge. I'm shooting this video here just to advertise myself, to tell you about the work that I do. I'm a fridge technician, I'm a refrigeration technician, aircon installation, fridge services and maintenance. And right about now, as you can see, there's a fridge right behind me. Yeah, I'm about to set up this, I'm about to repair this, I'm about to do my thing, so stay tuned for more. Okay, right about now what I'm holding in my hand is a thermostat. Yeah, the other one we replaced recently. As you can see, there has a dent here. It was dead, so we replaced it. This is the box of the new one. Carry on to I'm regassing the fridge. As you can see, I got my refrigerant on my hand, the valve, my gauge, and as I'm opening it up, you know, I'm about to set this baby up right now. So what we're doing now, we're regassing. This is the final touch of it. Stay tuned. We're still on. We just came to the end of the show, of the whole work. This baby is all going now, idling and going. As you can see, it's all set, man. It's all set. Yeah, now they can put on some cool water. Yeah, we're done for today. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.